we're going up to the castle. Let's actually go this way. This is gonna be through the park that they have around here. Basically, I decided to come here. Hopefully there won't be too many people, so I can record some videos. It's actually perfect because I want to test out this new mic, and it's nice and windy. I mean, it's not nice, but it's perfect for this video to test out the dead cat that we have with that. And at least it's nice and sunny. That'll be nice. So I'll see you up in a bit at the castle. Okay, so now I'm basically walking against the wind. This is kind of the view from here, pretty much. So this will be basically the audio from the lavalier mic, and I have the audio from the GoPro. I'll walk over there to that edge to have a nicer view, and then we can test out the video mic micro. Okay, so I actually just changed the mic setting on the GoPro to wind to see what it does actually, if it improves the audio a little bit. Here we are. I'm actually curious if that sponge thing on the lavalier mic helps with the sound, and the wind setting on the GoPro does anything, because it's quite windy. Okay, so basically one more video before I switch to the other one. I'm walking this way. I don't want to be with don't want to have the sun behind me, so hopefully this will work. And yeah, behind also. So I'm gonna switch to the video mic.